Hello, this is regarding ICP-1 submission for web and mobile application. First, I have created a JetBrains account in which we'll get a license version to, and this particular license is used to activate our WebStorm account. WebStorm is an IDE where we'll execute our code, and in this module I have created a GitHub account with a repository named web and mobile 2021. It consists of ICP1 directory, and this was a readme file which gives a detailed description of our particular repository. And this ICP1 consists of source and documentation, where source contains all the execution files and documentation contains all the snapshots and documents which were required for our project. And this was the WebStorm account where we will execute our code. And this is a sample hello world program where I have written. And now I'm going to execute this particular hello program. There were two h1 and v1 tags, and I just created a I just created a Git desktop which contains I just created a Git desktop, and using this desktop we can do pull and push operations from our local repository to remote repository, that is cloud GitHub. And after this after the execution in the particular WebStorm workspace, we're gonna get this index.html file where we can update this particular index.html file in workspace, so that this particular file gonna reflect over there, and we just need to write a commit message over there. And we need to push our particular operation. And for branch creation, we just gonna create this branch over here. And in our case I just created a develop branch, and I just made a push operation for this particular pull request for this development. This was the sample pull request that I have made. And I mean that I just updated the readme file in the main repository, and I just make the request from our develop branch to pull branch. And this was the dummy issue I have opened. This is how uh, we're gonna close our issue if it was sorted out with a comment message. And second thing is like to fork any particular repository from others account. We're just gonna go to the others account. In this case there was an Angular repository with Angular account with Angular repository, and I just gonna fork this particular account so that it gonna reflect in my repository dashboard, where you can see this was the Angular repository. I just forked. And and wiki is one something like where we commonly use for our reports. Like it was a document kind of thing where we will update all the required documents for the project creation. And in this case I have just made the installation procedures and general procedures as this was our first session. And for example, if you wanna edit our wiki page, we're gonna click on edit button. And this is the one tag where we will update the image. If you want to gonna get a image in our wiki document, then we just copy and paste the image URL over here. This was the common text, any alternative text that we are going to use. And after it, and this is how it gonna look after updating our image URL. And this is how it, if we click on preview, then it gonna show the particular image. This is what ICP1 module for web and mobile aggregation contains. Thank you.